Hi guys, Rick here, helping you to master your technology. This video is about unboxing of new Galaxy Note 9. So, let's get started.
Subscribe to get smart, and to watch the latest videos first. Hit the bell icon and you will be notified about the new videos updates instantly.
Looking at the packaging for this year Note 9, it apparent that the focus here centers around the new S Pen. It front and center with the box, donning the new yellow color to match the refreshing ocean blue color of the Note 9. Besides that, everything else appears to follow in typical fashion. You will even find out some of the phone specs on the back. Included with the packaging, you will find the following items: safety guide and user's guide manuals. Then the device itself, the Note 9. If compare the last year Note 8 with Note 9, you can see the location of fingerprint scanner is different this time, right below the dual cameras. So let us put the device aside. We will come back to the device later. Go ahead and let's see what else we have got inside the box. Micro USB connector, adaptive fast charging wall adapter, USB Type-C cable, S Pen tip replacements. The box also contain a pair of AKG2 headphones and earbud tips. There also a screen protector, which is likewise suspicious as companies rarely put screen protectors in boxes as they are difficult to put on. Companies like Huawei and OnePlus sell their phones with the screen protector pre-installed. Further, it'd make more sense if the Galaxy Note 9 came with a case, as the S9 did in certain markets around the world. Our particular unit is an international dual SIM model, one that leverages Samsung Exynos 9810 processor with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. Setting it up takes us through the usual process, which takes approximately 5 minutes to do. If you are just planning to get the basics down, once that all taken care of, we given some brief tips about the phone as well as the new stuff with the S Pen. Needless to say, we are eager to test drive the Note 9 over the course of the next few days. It's the first major phone to be released for the second half of the year, which should hopefully set the bar for everyone else. Productivity, power, and striving for perfection have always been some of the key strengths for the Note series, so you can no doubt expect to find the same thing with this latest iteration. With a starting price of $1,000, it's the most expensive Note to date, but let's cross our fingers that it can justify its worth with a strong performance. The Note 9 features a brace of 12MP rear camera lenses and a single 8MP front camera lens. The dual aperture rear setup allows the Note 9 to switch between an f1.5 aperture for low light photography, and then a f2.4 aperture for regular lighting conditions, granting the phone excellent adaptability when shooting, especially when conditions get overcast or dark, or when the light is flat. The secondary rear camera on the back of the Note 9 also comes packing a 2x optical zoom, allowing for some pretty decent zoomed-in, telephoto style shots. Both rear cameras come packing optical image stabilization, too, which I find most useful when pulling out the phone to take quick snapshots. Before I end this video, if you want something specific to show in my next video, just say in the comments section below. If you found this video entertaining and enjoyable, give me a favor by clicking that like button, subscribe if you haven't already. I'll catch you all in the next episode of Get Smart. Peace.